Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Ming.
Okay, and how old are you? Okay, and are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry. Nhật Minh, con nói to lên một chút nhé. Con nói to lên một chút. Ok.
What is this?
It's a book.
Very good. What is this?
It's a pen.
Good. What is this?
It's a pencil.
What is this?
It's a ruler.
Good. What color is the ruler?
It's green.
Very good. What is this?
It's a eraser.
What is this?
It's a pencil sharpener.
Good. What color is the pencil sharpener?
It's pink.
What color is the pencil sharpener?
It's blue.
Very good. And what is this?
It's a pencil cutting.
Very good. Okay. Moving on over. Okay. What is this?
It's a backpack.
Very good. What is this?
It's a tray.
What is this?
It's a tray.
Okay. What is this?
The table.
That's what is this?
A book.
Very good. What is this?
It's a desk.
Excellent. What is this?
It's a glass room.
And what is this?
It's a spoon.
Good. Finally, who is this?
It is a shoe.
Very good. Well done. Okay. What colour are these pencils?
It's blue.
Very good. Okay. And then how many pencils are there?
2 pencils.
Very good. How many chairs are there?
2 trays.
Good. What colour are